Brands, brands, brands. You can do a lot better than me when working with brands with what I'm about to show you. This website enables you to connect to brands, create your affiliate links, and begin to sell their products and earn a commission. Or you can actually create your own opportunities that you can offer to these brands in order to earn a much bigger commission. So let's show you exactly what this is, because you can do a lot better than I did when using this website. So I'm giving this value to you. Let's take a look. Are you ready to do a lot better than I did when connecting with brands, creating your affiliate links, and earning a commission on everyone you send to that link in order to make a purchase? Or sometimes actually making a purchase, because there is a difference between those two actions. Here is Awin. It says, speak to an expert. You can talk to the Awin team on the website and they will help you if you have any questions. There is also a helpline. We now want to log into the website to show you the inside, to show you the possibilities. Ready to do better than I did? Let's go. Here we are on the inside of Awin. This is my activity stream. You will have an activity stream once you have set up your account. And from time to time, you may have invites to a new brand, or you may have been disconnected from a brand, or your partnership ended. We have these examples right here. Let's Go US wants to connect with me. They want to work with me so they can reach my audience and, of course, earn a sale. Earn £10 per renewal. That's an indication to me that this is a subscription-based service, and they have invited me to join their program for us to work together, and then I can create my affiliate links and under their terms. You can also see from my activity stream that Gatineau ended their partnership with me. As I said, you could do a lot better than I did with Awin. And this is an example of something that has been ended, a partnership that is no longer being continued with me. Gatineau ended their partnership with me for low to no conversion. So because I didn't use the Gatineau partnership affiliate links and didn't generate any sales or interest in their brand, this is why that partnership has ended. It says here, always be rewarded for sales with our new Conversion Protection Initiative, CPI. From April 24th, some advertisers may start paying you extra commission. So that's a cool piece of information right here. I'm going to show you where you can begin to find new brands. At the top here, you can see advertisers, and there are quite a few options. You have my programs, which are programs that I'm currently connected to, brands that I'm currently connected to, closed programs, which of course would be Gatineau, for example, who are no longer working with me, and join programs, as well as some other that are quite interesting that you might want to take a look at. Let's show you join programs before I leave you today. Right here, you can see a variety of brands already that have populated. You can filter the brands to find what's right for you, not only by location and region, which I have here. So for example, if I take off Africa, because maybe I don't have an African audience or I'm not reaching any Africans in order to begin to sell. United Arab Emirates, let's take that off. India. But let's say I play Apex Legends. The Apex Legends main core audience is actually in Japan. If I was playing Apex Legends and there was a Japanese gaming company, that would definitely be a brand that I want to work with. So I've selected Japan as the region, and I've removed as many other regions as I can in the programs that are available. There are a few other things you want to pay attention to when you're actually going through these filters. For example, product feed, payment status, and filtered by optimized for mobile, lead generation, And there are a little bit more that you can go through here. You can also filter by sector, which is very important for you finding brands that are suitable for you. In sector filters right now, we have finance and insurance, retail and shopping, telco and services, and travel. So these have been refined over time. I'm going to go for retail and shopping. Inside retail and shopping, you can see other filters that are available. So remember, I'm talking about the Apex Legends fan base. Many of them are from Japan. So let's try to find something that's suitable. Baby and toddler wouldn't be suitable for that audience, although you could make some sales depending on who in Japan you are reaching with your Apex Legends gameplay videos. In this case, I'm going to scroll down to where it reads PC and video games, because this will enable me to filter those programs, those brands, to specifically gaming and PC. As you can see, there is none in the region of Japan available on Awin right now. I'm just showing you how these filters can work so that you can find a brand that is suitable for you. Let's change the region to see if that makes a difference. So I'm going to close sector, unselect Japan, and I'm going to select a region that is suitable to me and my audience right now. So if I'm talking about YouTube, for example, a Western region will definitely be suitable for Fortnite. So let's select the United Kingdom. There should be many PC and video game companies that populate in the programs right now, and you can see there is over 7 pages available. Music Magpie, which you might recognize, is available right here. You can see the approval rate of everyone that has made affiliate sales with them, the amount, the average amount per sale, or EPC, the payment status, the average payment time, which of course would be very important to those of you who want to earn regularly on a regular basis. So once you've made that sale, this is the amount of the average payment time you have to wait before you receive a payment. Does it have a product feed? Yes. And you can see the launch date of this program and when Music Magpie launched on Awin. You can click inside of the program to find more information. All of this information is available to you today. On the left hand side of Music Magpie, you can see the join program, commission rates, send email, and more. But I'm not going to scroll down on this page because there is actually some personal information that is given for you to actually stay in contact with Music Magpie. Of course, this is for business purposes when you are making sales for the company. For now, because this is a brilliant opportunity that I could get involved with right now, I'm going to select Join Program. Right now, you can see a few options available, including your promotional type that you can add. Let's say I have a blog and not just creating content. I could add that as another promotional type that I am applicable to, or something that I have on offer for Music Magpie. I'm going to leave it on content for now. I can write a message to let them know that I want to work with them and why and who I am. And then I will select join to begin to get in contact with Music Magpie and letting them know that I want to work with them and create affiliate sales. There is also a lot more that you want to pay attention to inside of Awin that is currently available to you. For example, you can create opportunities that brands can then select on a one-to-one basis. For example, let's say you have a competition that is running on your very popular YouTube channel, and that competition has a prize draw at the end of it. That could be an opportunity for a brand to get involved. That's just an example, but remember, you can do a lot better than I did. So what opportunities do you have that a brand could benefit from? Think about that with your blog, video website, or whatever you are doing when working with brands. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'm struggling here on YouTube, So any subscribes, likes, or interaction can be very, very helpful, and I do appreciate it very much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.